Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious ice cream shakes at home. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need about 2 to 3 scoops of your favorite ice cream, approximately 1 cup of cold milk, and any flavorings you desire. Opt for a good quality ice cream for the richest flavor and creamiest texture. Whole milk often yields the best results, but feel free to use a dairy-free option if preferred. This simple foundation is key to a fantastic shake. Now let's get blending. For the best results, add your liquid ingredients first, like the milk, followed by the ice cream and any solid mix-ins. Start your blender on a low speed to break down the ice cream, then slowly increase to a medium or high setting. Blend for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until the mixture is perfectly smooth and has no ice cream chunks remaining. This ensures a delightful, consistent texture. The fun part is customizing your shake. You can add a wide array of mix-ins such as fresh berries, crushed cookies, or a drizzle of chocolate sauce. For an extra flavor boost, try a few drops of vanilla extract, a 1/4 teaspoon of mint extract, or a dash of cinnamon. If you prefer a sweeter shake, incorporate 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey, maple syrup, or granulated sugar before blending. The possibilities are endless. Once your shake is perfectly blended, it's time to serve and enjoy. Carefully pour the thick, creamy mixture into a tall glass. For an extra special touch, you can top it with a generous swirl of whipped cream, a sprinkle of colorful jimmies, or a bright red cherry. Remember, ice cream shakes are best enjoyed immediately while they are still wonderfully cold and thick. Cheers to your delicious homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.